My name is Siva Gunathan. I am currently pursuing B Agriculture Engineering in SNS College of Technology. Now, today I am going to tell about artificial intelligence in agriculture engineering. In many countries, agriculture become hard to farming and difficult to export and import the good. So this process may become easy with the help of artificial intelligence. Now I am going to tell about introductions of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is an approach to make a computer a robot. And finally, the study outputs intelligent software systems. The aim of artificial intelligence is to improve computer functions which are related to human knowledge, for example, reasoning, learning, problem solving. The use of artificial intelligence in agriculture. Artificial intelligence systems are helping to improve the overall harvest quality and accuracy. Now, as precious agriculture, artificial intelligence technology helps to detecting disease in plants, pests, and poor nutrition of farms. Artificial intelligence sensors can detect and target weeds and decide with which herbicide to apply within the region. Applications of artificial intelligence in agriculture industry. The industry is turning to artificial intelligence technology to help yield healthier crops, control pests, monitor soil and growing conditions, organizations data for farmers, help with the workload and improve a wide range agriculture related tasks in the entire food supply chain. The artificial intelligence used in weather forecasting. With the change in climatic conditions and increasing pollution, it's difficult for farmers to determine the right time for sowing seed. With the help of artificial intelligence, farmers can analyze weather conditions by using weather forecasting, which helps them plan the type of crop can be grown and when should seeds be sown. The AI used in soil and crop health monitoring systems. The type of soil and nutrition of soil plays an important factor in the type of crop is grown and quality of the crop. Due to increasing deforestation, soil quality is degrading and it's hard to determine the quality of soil. And AI used in analyzing crop health by drones. Sky Squirrel Technologies has brought drone-based aerial imaging solutions for monitoring crop health. In this technique, the drone captures data from fields and then data is transferred in a USB drive from the drone to computer and analyzed by experts. This AI is used in agricultural with the help of robotics. AI companies are developing robots that can easily perform multiple tasks in farming fields. This type of robot is trained to control weeds and harvest crops at a faster pace with higher volumes compared to humans. These types of robots are trained to check the quality of crops and detect weed with picking and packing of crops at the same time. These robots are also capable to fight with challenges faced by agricultural forced labor. Here we go to the conclusions. Companies involved in improving machine learning and artificial intelligence based products or service like training data for agricultural drone and automated machine making will get technological advancement in the future, will provide more useful applications to the sector, helping the world deal with the food production issues for the growing populations. Thank you for watching.